On a distant island far beyond the reach of modern maps, Moana lived with her family in harmony with the land. The ocean surrounded them, bringing gifts of fish and whispering winds, but with its beauty also came mystery. Moana had always heard tales of the island's secrets from her grandmother, who spoke of hidden wisdom beneath the waves and the malevolent spirit dwelling in the deep. Despite her father's warnings to stay close to the village and avoid the dark waters, Moana's curiosity was an untamed river. Her family, aware of her adventurous spirit, decided it was time to unearth the truth together and dispel the age-old fears that hung over their island like a dark cloud. They embarked on a journey, with Moana leading the way. As they navigated the dense jungles and volcanic landscapes, they discovered ancient carvings and forgotten paths that hinted at the island's shrouded past. Moana's younger brother, Taka, who admired her bravery, found a series of symbols etched into stone, leading them closer to the ocean's embrace. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they came upon the entrance to a hidden cave. The walls echoed with the sounds of crashing waves and the forlorn cries of seabirds. Guided by torchlight, they ventured deep within and uncovered an ancient altar, adorned with seashells and pearls. It was here they learned of Teha, the spirit of the waters, once a guardian who had turned malevolent through neglect and the misuse of the island's riches. Moana realized that to restore balance, she must confront Teha and appeal to its once noble nature. Equipped with knowledge and love from her family, Moana called upon her inner strength and ventured alone into the churning waters. As darkness enveloped her, she found herself face to face with the swirling mass of anger and sorrow that was Teha. With a calm yet powerful voice, Moana recounted stories of the island, of its people, and of a time when they lived in unity with the sea. Her words, imbued with sincerity and hope, pierced the malevolence, softening the spirit's heart. The ocean calmed, its anger dissipating into gentle waves lapping at the shore. The island had its saving grace. Moana's courage and compassion had restored the harmony that once existed between land and sea. Together with her family, she returned to the village, where they celebrated the newfound peace and learned to treasure both the island's secrets and its guardian. Moana's story became a legend, a reminder that courage and understanding can change even the most formidable of foes.